Hi guys, and welcome to a video about the semi-modals. Okay, semi-modals is just a fancy word. Okay, it is just a two word particle verb, okay, which means that okay, it's a kind of auxiliary which is followed by to, infinitive to. Okay, let me give you some examples. Okay, have to is a semi-modal. Okay, to be able to is a semi-modal, and ought to and had better are semi-modals, but had better does not follow the rule here because it's not followed by to. We say you'd better stay or you'd better go. Okay, not you'd better to stay or you'd better to go. Okay, and then semi-modals are just a replacement for the modal auxiliaries. Okay, for example, should is related to ought to or had better to. Must is related to have to, and can is the replacement for to be able to. Okay, we can use them interchangeably. Okay, let's do some examples. Okay, in times of COVID-19, people should stop shaking hands. Okay, in time of COVID-19, people ought to stop shaking hands. Okay, or in times of COVID-19, people had better stop shaking hands. Okay, let's do another examples. Okay, always related to the COVID-19. Okay, when you sick with COVID-19, you must stay in quarantine in the hospital. Okay, when you are sick with COVID-19, you have to stay in quarantine at the hospital. Okay, and one final example, some doctors claim that they can treat COVID-19. Okay, some doctors claim that they are able to treat COVID-19. Okay, these are all about the semi-models. Okay, and thank you for your time. Bye.